Jai Jinendra, my name is Esha Botha and our topic is COVID-19 and online education. The nationwide COVID-19 lockdown has impacted so many schools and universities to be shut and send their students home, which in turn has impacted over 91% of the world students population. हर बच्चा का कहीं ना कहीं ये विश तो होता ही है या तो स्कूल की छुट्टी हो जाए ताकि वो लोग घर में बैठ के आराम से मस्ती या खेल कूद सके, और दूसरा या तो एग्ज़ाम आ रहा हो और एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन हो जाए या डिले हो जाए। इस कोरोना वायरस के थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं ये दोनों विशेष सच हो रहे हैं, बट नॉट इन द बेस्ट ऑफ सर्कमस्टांसेस. Schools and universities were among the first institutions to be shut when the pandemic was announced, even in India. Online education is conducted in two ways, either through recorded classes or via live online classes conducted as webinars or Zoom sessions. Online education, a result of the digital world, has brought a lot to the learning table at all levels of education, beginning from preschool up to higher level institutions. The move to remote learning has been enabled by several tech stacks such as Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams, all of which plays an important role in this transformation. There have also been debates on the nature of classes and the future of examination and evaluation, whether they could be conducted online or not. With schools and colleges shut, there was a mad dash to compensate for the lost time by introducing haphazard models of online learning. In most Indian educational institutions, it is actually a miracle to find a working computer and Wi-Fi connection with proper bandwidth. In the midst of such technological deficiency, any source of online module is bound to fail, but the online classes began and are still continuing. However, a similar poorly glued together plan cannot be undertaken for exams, especially when you can't trust your Wi-Fi and your internet speed. Here are some of the issues claimed by the students. एक स्टूडेंट जो कि दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से हिस्ट्री में एमए परस्यू कर रहा था, उसने कहा कि हमारे पास पेन एंड पेपर जैसे बेसिक स्टेशनरी आइटम्स खरीदने के लिए पैसे नहीं है या नहीं खरीद पा रहे हैं हम लोग, तो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स हमारे लिए दूर की बात है. एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मैनी स्टूडेंट्स हु फेस दिस चैलेंजेस. पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जैसे कि DU, वहाँ पे हर जगह से बच्चे आते हैं, गांव से, शहर से. इस पैंडमिक सिचुएशन की वजह से सब अपने गांव और शहर वापस जा चुके हैं. एंड गांव में फास्ट वाईफाई कनेक्शन या फिर उन लोग के पास अपना पर्सनल लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर और इनफैक्ट एक पढ़ने के लिए शांत सा जगह मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है, विच आर imperative to conduct online exams. On 15th April, the United Nations Children Fund, which is engaged in humanitarian aid for the young ones around the world, said millions of children are at increased risk of harm as their lives move increasingly online during lockdown in the COVID-19 pandemic. Giving a global perspective, UNESCO noted half of the total number of learners, some 820 million students, kept out of the classroom by COVID-19 pandemic do not have access to a household computer, and 43% have no internet at home at a time when digitally based distance learning is used to ensure educational continuity in the vast majority of countries. In this crucial time of pandemic, COVID-19 may have a little no impact on this year's admission cycle. However, due to the rapidly spreading nature of coronavirus, everyone must prepare for varied scenarios until the pandemic is contained. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.